What's happening? Today's a big day. I'm potentially buying a car. What the yes, I am going to go look at a car right now. It's a 2018 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Bruh, let me just say, this car is fire. But yeah, I'm so excited. I've wanted a new car for a while. What's the latest? Latest update. It's raining. It's started to rain, and it's annoying because I am gonna get my seasonal depression back. And one time I made a vlog about seasonal depression, and then everyone at school was like,
"That's not real. That's not real."
And all these that were like, "Oh, that's such a lie. Like, you just want clout." What clout? It's been a little sad, but you know what? It's gonna make me way happier getting a new car. Lately, I've been really posting a lot of TikToks. I'm not a TikToker. I've never been a TikToker. I've never claimed to be a TikToker, but I love TikTok. It's a problem. But yeah, I've been rambling, so let's go. Welcome to the vlog. This is the fit for today. I know it's literally November, but I wear shorts year round. My mom said I needed to eat something. She's sick. You already know. I had to go in with the Triscuits. So then you take your Triscuit cracker, open up that cheesecake, right? You peel it down the center. You go like this. You turn it into like a little V. And you put it on the cracker, right? It's so good. I'll see you in the car. Got in a little bit of traffic, but we're doing good. We're gonna be we're going home. Look where we are. We're here. Whoa. Damn, look at all those cars. So I just test drove it. And we're gonna get it. I'll show y'all in a sec.
For sure.
They need my insurance, so I have to go to my mom's car.
Oh, it's a video, not a photo?
I'm going to Home Depot while they're getting parts ready. So, going to Home Depot. It just doesn't look like the North Pole, now does it? Wanna get f***ed up, bitch? Don't try me. I think this should be maybe locked up.
Nash would love that.
Just finished all of the signing stuff. Oh, it was all of the phone. Very interesting. Now we're going back to the dealership. We signed everything. Now we just gotta get the car. Bro, I want to drive this car so bad. I'm done. I'm ready to go home.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Damn, y'all. Look how fancy this thing is. Like, oh.
If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
Look at this. Like, look at this. Holy moly.
O-U-S, yeah, G-L-A-M-O-R-O-U-S. We flying first class up in the sky.
Oh, what a day. It's actually insane to me that I just bought a car. It's genuinely a awesome car, and I'm so happy that I have it. It's dope. The gang's all here.
You recording?
Yeah. Catalina.
What? ¿Estás haciendo el vlog?
Yeah. Headed to the beach or something.
Yes.
We're headed to the beach at 3:30 in the afternoon.
Eyes on you. I want your Show the vlog.
We got headache medicine for me. We got a couple waters. We got some granola bars.
No.
We got a banana.
No Stanleys today. We're just sipping on some Kirkland Signature.
I got these Pringles for me.
Okay, we're going to get gas, and then we're gonna go to the beach. Montage, let it begin.
Nothing else that I have left through. Nothing but this to hold on. I could be anything next to you. You could make anywhere home. Say that you're dreaming, I'll follow the way.
Hey, we poppin' pills.
Feels like I'm lost in you, wave after wave. There's something about the way you hold the sun.
And we'll see you guys at the beach.
All right, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
We were gonna go to Sinsen, then we got turned around, then we decided to go to Marin Headlands, and now we're at some horse ranch.
We're not the fucking wrong Marin Headlands.
We're at a horse ranch. It's lit.
Big shit.
It's kind of cold. It's probably
big
about
shit.
40 degrees now. Catalina, how are you doing?
Jump back.
Yeah.
Lift your feet up. Lift your feet up.
At this rate, we're not even gonna make it to the beach. All right, we're currently trying to
Tennessee
200 feet, 200 feet,
Coastal Fire Road.
or Tennessee
Wait, what's this way?
0.6. That's 2 more miles. All right, so we're on our way. I don't know.
Loki would want to do a run here.
Yeah, I would too. It's low-key kind of fire.
Rápido.
We're on our way. So way less than a mile.
Fucking more than that.
Let's get it.
It's fucking Treyway, King New York, looking for the queen.
You got the right one. Let these big bitches know.
Bruh, we made it. We made it.
I feel fucking fresh.
All right, y'all. Rate the beach.
Okay.
I need more pictures.
We're at the beach. Just got done doing a basically 2-mile walk. Was it worth it? I don't know. Kind of pitch back. You know, get some pictures out of it. Have fun. Drive home. Get some comida. Yep.
It's God's creation. God chose us to be here today. I don't even know what.
Yeah, this is my friend. This is my friend.
Good.
All right, let's go. Definitely not. Hey, put it.
We're just we just finished up our 5-mile run. It's
Yeah, it was actually 5K actually. So.
it was 5. It was like almost 6 miles. We're at Marin Headlands.
Yeah.
All right, let's get out of here, boys.
Oh. All right, we'll see you then. The OG.
We have made it to our grub spot, McDonald's. Don't judge us, please. We're hungry.
No, it's definitely.
My legs are burning.
Oh damn. All right, gang, let's get it. We're starving. We're ready to. Oh, there's hella heads up in here, and we're about to grub. I'm so excited. I have never been more hungry in my entire life. That is actually a lie. Eh? Get the freaking McDonald's app. Y'all, it just came. This is so fancy. I definitely need more. Hey, what do you rate the food? What do you rate the food? 1 out of 10? 10 out of 10?
I give it a good 6, but I feel like I'm gonna get fat.
Okay. It is what it is. Oh.
I'm gonna kill you. Yes, yes. Woo, so pretty.
All right, start challenge. Hella spicy. Uh-oh.
Chug it. No stopping.
Tell it in your... Chug it. It's cold. Take off the top and check.
I'm gonna throw up.
No. Not when I'm driving.
I look like
An
egg.
That's pretty. What is it called? No matter wart, no. Search now. MADD. Wart. Frio. I'm gonna shit my pants. No matter what. No, go back in. How do I go back? Go to profile. Draft. Right there.
Excuse me? Do you speak English? Okay, well, I'm a photographer, and I was wondering if I could take any photos of you. After grub.
Oh, no, no.
I wasn't going to get that. Ew, why does it smell like cow poop?
Ask if I'm alone, we're bound and sound. I hear you now, I hear you when you say you want